My name is Harold Getial, and you're welcome to my house tour. In my house there are 3 bedrooms. There is one kitchen, there is one living room, and there is one bathroom. Right. In To my left, there is a kitchen. There is a dishwasher or a sink, and there are any dishes. There are two stoves. There is one cupboard, yes, and there is referee. This door is uh, is my mother's room. Is one There is one bedroom, and there is one other bedroom. There is brother's room, and this there is a bathroom, and there is a toilet, and there is a sink. There is a shower, and here here is the there is a dining room. In dining room, there are three chairs and 3 cushions. There is one table, and there is one mirror. There is one bucket, and there is a wardrobe. In this where there is a fryer, yes. And the last bedroom is my bedroom, and here there is one table, and night table maybe, one bed, my bed, and there is one armchair, or one uh, one little sofa, and there I have got computer and desk. There is one desk, and there is a chair, cushion, and there are two pictures. There is one. There is two pictures. There are two pictures, and there are some books and notebooks. Yes, and for the last is my I have got a teddy bear, and so thank you so much for listening.